Why understand accounting will help you when you're applying for business loan. Understand accounting will bring a higher rate of success when you're applying for a business loan. Why? Well, for starters, when the business owner, i.e. you, does not use the financial reports as a tool, profitability is based more on luck than strategy. And when you're faced with your banker, luck will not win his approval. The solution for you as a business owner, therefore, lies in becoming educated in the financial aspects of the business and train yourself. This does not mean you have to become an accountant, but it is critical that you get to understand what is accounting about, and more specifically the language. Business finance is no more difficult to understand than most other aspects of running a business. It is probably less difficult than some aspects. So, what is accounting about? The first thing to know is that there are 3 financial reports that you need to get your head around: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. So let's look at the income statement, or in other words, how to become profitable. Well, it is important to understand that your income statement is reflecting how your business is performing. In very simple words, income statement equals performance. Once you understand that, you will be able to know what is going on in your company, and then decide what minor or major changes you can make to improve your bottom line. For example, you will be able to find out whether you have the right mix of staff or if there are product lines that are not profitable. Additionally, you will be able to assess if you have the right pricing, or if your overheads can be improved, or it is already in line with industry standards. You can also find out if there is a black hole damaging your profits. Then there is a control issue. Who is controlling your business? Do you have the right controls in place? When you understand that and grasp what is going on with the finances of your business, you will easily see if there is some area in your business where you need to focus on. Have you thought that there may be someone that can be stealing from you, even at an insignificant level? This happens more often than you think, and unfortunately, the business owner is not even aware of it. When it comes to forecasting the profitability of your business, it means taking a step forward in the future and foresee what it is capable of. And this is the reason why, when you understand what accounting is about, you will be more at ease with your business finances, whether it is to understand balance sheet or income statement, or when you're applying for a business loan. So, understand balance sheet, or how you run your business. Whilst the income statement tells you about your profitability and helps you to determine your strategy, the balance sheet shows you how you have used your assets and in order to operate your business, and also how you finance it. Being able to understand balance sheet is the key that opens the door for getting sources of finances for small business or large business, no matter how big your business is. The balance sheet is split in 2 sides: assets and liabilities. Whilst the assets are a reflection of what you own in your business, the liability side tells what you owe, meaning how you finance or fund your business. Whenever you're applying for a business loan, there are 2 things you want to show. One, that you have a smooth operating system, which will be shown in how much you invested in your assets and how you manage them. Second, you have a strong funding profile, which means in very simple terms that you have used a large amount of capital to finance it, and that your level of debt is not very high. And if you do have a large amount of debt, that it is structured in such a way that you can easily pay your debt back. Cash flow statement, or the art of forecasting. And this is where understanding cash flow statement becomes handy. Why? Well, this is this financial report which tells the story about your capacity to pay back your debt, as after all expenses incurred, you can look how much cash you have left and see if there is enough to either pay back your debt or invest more. This is what any lender will do to decide if you can get additional funding or not. You can also use it to find out if your cash inflows are strong enough or if there are any changes you need to make in your business to increase it, as you don't necessarily need a loan to get more cash. As you will easily find out once you understand accounting, you can find extra funding just by focusing on specific areas of your business and without taking additional funding. Well, you just had an introduction to business finances, and I believe you would agree with me that once you understand what accounting is about, knowing how to manage your business becomes clearer. The solution for you as a business owner is to become educated and get training. Don't wait, and go and get ready to explode your business right now.